Hello everyone, I'm here with my customer and I'm preparing her for PRP treatment on the face. So the first thing is I need to take some blood from her, prepare the area first. And I've got my needle. Okay. Now are you ready? We're gonna just feel tiny little bit of scratch. We need to remove the numbing cream first, as it's gonna be quite quick procedure. So I'm literally taking off everything. I'm just wiping the skin with, and I'm not touching the skin anymore. So I'm just wiping the skin. So after the needling, after the microneedling, so what I'm going to do now is actually inject the rest of the plasma underneath the skin dermally, so it really pushes and kind of activates all the growth factors from underneath. So we have like 2 actions, from the top and from below, which is amazing. So we're expecting great results on pigmentation and overall skin rejuvenation. So let's look at that one now. Yeah, so just gonna start. Some of the plasma under the pigmentation, the pigmented lesions, to further help the melanocytes activities, and the results are absolutely incredible. Just wiping it with Clinicept after procedure, and I've got slightly plasma left, little plasma left, so I'm going to add it everywhere. So as a serum, it's amazing to add this product, and she can just go with it. She can go at home with it. So now a sunscreen is a must. So just over the plasma application, I'm gonna apply really good sunscreen based on zinc oxide, SPF 50, and it has also properties to calm the skin, so it's very good for redness. In our case, this is essential. And also application, my last application is a blemish balm, which will give her a little bit of color. So it's something from Dr. Shanek, it's herbal based, so it's great for after treatment. And we use it like after green peel, for example. It gives you a little bit of coverage.